Today's episode is 2's reaction to Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 2. I'm going to do a reaction on Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but thank God she has more replacements she has to face to teach her a lesson. But anyways, enjoy the reaction.
I don't care. I'm going to make you snore like number block 79 no matter what.
Take that, you snotty girl. Well, the video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 180.